Hey everyone, welcome to the very first episode of Leading the Transformation. This is where we talk about how project management, analytics, and operations are evolving in age of data and AI. I am Rajiv Ranjan, engineer, MBA, and PMP certified program manager. And over the years, I have worked across different domains like supply chain, manufacturing, analytics, and large scale transformation programs. And in this podcast, I'll share some real world lessons and practical tools to help you grow your career in project and program management. So today we are sitting right at the foundation, the difference between the program and projects, and how that one shift can completely change your career path. So, when we are talking from project to program, let's start with the basics. And I assure you that this won't sound like a textbook. So, a project is a temporary focused effort, something with a clear end and start date, with one or two specific outcomes, you can say. Think of things like launching a new warehouse system, building Power BI dashboard, or like setting up of a supplier onboarding process. Now, a program is a collection of related projects, all managed together to achieve a bigger strategic goal. So, if you are rolling out digital transformation across the entire supply chain, like ERP, analytics, logistics, automation, then that's a program. And here how I like to describe it. A project is like directing one movie, and a program is like managing the entire franchise. So I hope this makes more sense to make you understand the difference. So, when I moved from being a project manager to program manager, I realized something big. It's not about like doing more number of projects as a program manager. It's about thinking differently. A project manager focuses on the output, like you say timeline, budget, deliverables. But a program manager focuses on the outcomes like business values, alignment, impact, ROIs. ROI, I mean by return on investment. As a project manager, it is mostly about the short term, like tracking a schedule, managing tasks, and working with the project leads or functional leads. But as a program manager, the lens widens. You are thinking across multiple work stream, multiple domains, connecting strategy to execution, and asking how do all these efforts add up to something meaningful for the business. The way success is measured changes too, you know, and it is no longer like about staying under budget or under timelines. It's about the return on investment, the business impact, and strategic alignment. And in one of my supply chain transformation program, like every project lead had their own focus. Like somebody was taking care of procurement, some was automation, logistics, analytics, vendor evaluation, vendor management. And my role was to connect those dots, ensuring that everything is aligned with the bigger corporate strategy, compliance goals, and ROI targets. And that's the real difference. Like shifting from control to coordination, and from managing tasks to managing values. So that makes a difference, right? You would agree. So now, why does this shift matter today? I would say because project management is itself transforming. AI is now automating your schedule. Predictive analytics can flag the risks before they even happen. And the traditional PMOs are evolving into VMOs. By VMOs, I mean Value Management Office. And in 2025, being a great project manager isn't just about finishing on time under budget. It is about connecting like execution to strategy, asking how this project moved the needle for the business. That's the new skill set, like blending technical know-how with the strategic vision with the leadership. So you might be thinking that how to start thinking like a program manager. And if you are listening and wondering how do I start building towards the program manager or the leadership, program leadership, I would say here are some of the practical ideas that I would like to share. So first of all, see the bigger picture. Every time when you join a project, when you start a project, ask yourself, how does this fit the bigger business goals? Second, develop your soft skills. Stakeholder management, communication, and conflict management. Those matter as much as your Gantt charts. Third, I would say leverage data. Use dashboards and analytics to track performances, KPIs, and risks, and not just the tasks. And fourth, I would say keep learning. Build on experiences, online courses or certifications like PMP or PGMP are great. At the same time, also get exposure of analytics, get to know more AI tools, Power BI, and strategy framework. Remember, I would say that the journey from project to program management isn't a promotion. It is an evaluation in how you think. I hope everything is making sense now. So I would leave you with one thought, that a project manager delivers success and program manager delivers sustained value. So if this episode helped you see that shift more clearly, make sure to follow, subscribe, and share it with someone in your network who is ready to grow their PM career. And of course, in our next episode, we will deep dive into how AI and data analytics are transforming the way we plan, we track, we deliver the projects, and what does that means to your day-to-day workflow. So yeah, thank you for tuning in, and remember that transformation starts with how you lead. Thank you for your time today, and have a great rest of your day.